Yeah, we lost our seat lock here. It's not supposed to do that. Our lever here is broken. I don't know how to do this. I've never done it before. It looks like we need to take at least that front panel off, and that way we can see what's inside. So let's follow our handle right here. Okay, the rod goes down in there. Yeah, let me see if I can get you in there a little further. Yeah, definitely broken. That's not good. So this piece, it's got studs top and bottom. It's gonna sit, ow, in this track, and it looks like maybe the whole chair has to come off. Yay! I'm thinking that we should probably consult the game service manual to see if there's any tips or tricks before we just go in blind. So here's the plan. We're gonna remove all of these perimeter bolts for the base plate, and then we're gonna tip her up, and we're gonna get the nuts on the studs that are pointing downward. Then we're gonna drop her back down. Then we're gonna take the studs from the inside of the chair that are pointing upward and remove those. At which time we will move our block from the bottom to the top, and then we can just lift that out and then bring in a new one. At least that's the plan, I hope. These are gonna be 13 millimeter. I'm not gonna do it all on camera, but they will all get done in real life. We have a super safe-ish piece of wood propping this thing up right now, and we'll have to maybe I'll grab another one, but yeah, we get ready to reach in there and find our studs. There's one right here. I think there's one forward and one aft on this setup. I don't know what size they are yet. I'm gonna guess 13, but verified 13 millimeter nut. We are almost there. Let me get a light in the middle here. We are going to have to we removed the one nut here from this stud. We're gonna have to loosen the forward and the rear one there, and then we can take the whole chair, tip it up, and liberate this slide. We're gonna have to go in through the rear license plate here, and we're gonna take this bracket off. There's two screws down here. There's a bolt hidden behind here for the rear stud of the middle slider. See, right there. Gotta loosen that guy up too. I need to go grab a socket wrench. We got a piece of wood propped up in here, and she's all out. Take a look at the carnage. Yeah, totally busted. All right, new one coming in. That took a little bit of maneuvering, but got her all lined back up. So now we get to put all our bolts, pardon me, all of our nuts back together. Got her propped back up. We're gonna put our lower studs back in. Cool, that's done. Next step, perimeter bolts of the base plate, and then we are good to go. All right, before we conclude all of this, let's make sure it works. Locks, 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 locks. Excellent. All of our hardware is secure. We've double, triple checked everything is tight. We have, well, we have some screws here, but those are gonna go for that cover. So we have no bonus hardware, no leftover pieces. We're back together. Once we get that cover on, we'll power it up and make sure that everything functions as intended. I'm certainly not an automotive technician, and this is probably going to be the closest that I will ever come to being able to say, restarting the auto. Yeah, let's get a closer look here. That's definitely broken. I'm glad that we got this for free. This game is still under warranty. Someone might think, how in the world did I learn how to do that? And the answer is, I didn't. I just kind of looked at it and came up with a plan and made it up as I went along. The no plan. See? Uh-oh, I'm missing a flashlight. I went in with 2, I've only got 1. That was not part of the no plan. I have to go find it. Yep, I found it. I left it in the chair. So for this game, you have to click it or tick it. Yeah, holy bucking Bronco. She works. It's all back together. Lights are all on. Looks good. We're done here.